This is your daily science news from Channel 7 with me, your host Wendell and Rosalie.
Today we will be talking about matter. This topic was requested by our viewers. If you have any questions, please hashtag Matter Matters.
So to start things off, our world and everything we see is matter. Matter is anything that takes up space. For example, she is taking up space right now, which makes her matter. She is a solid.
A solid 10.
Okay, that's enough with the jokes. Her blood is a liquid and her fart is gas. Those are some examples of what matter can be.
Oh look, it looks like we have a question from one of our viewers. At Paul Nitake from Torrance asks, what's a solid, liquid, and gas? Well, Paul, a solid has a fixed shape and volume. Its particles are packed into one place. They can barely move.
A liquid has a definite volume, but takes the shape of its container. Its particles slide past one another. A gas has no definite shape or volume. Its particles slide past one another. I'm sorry to interrupt the discussion, but the popular chemist rappers Matt, ER, and Periodic have made a collab. Fortunately, their rap adds to today's discussion.
Big shape and volume, also is rigid. Talking about solids, yeah, we ain't talking liquids. Now we talking liquids, definite volume. Container it takes up could be as big as a ballroom. On to the gases, no whose volume and shape. Matter good at physical and chemical change. Physical looks order, color, volume, state. Density, boiling, and melting point, okay. Chemical ability, that thing go changing into a new substance, it be rearranging. Adding and change from one state to another. A chemical change is a reaction, my brother. Elements can be broken down into the purest form. My rhymes are straight fire, they ain't lukewarm. Compounds, a combination of elements. It could be broken down without using an elephant. Mixtures have a variable composition. I be always winning cause there ain't no competition. A mixture retains its own chemical identity. I be baking cake, sugar, flour in my recipe. Eating up this cake but there is no celebration. Joining elements together forming new creation. Motions of liquids they be sliding around. No problems caused cause they be settling down. A mixture. Dang, it's homogeneous. I'm a smart rapper, boy, I know you ain't no genius. That words mean that's the same throughout. Stay in school, kid, don't drop out. Heterogeneous means different in each place. I stay fly high throughout outer space. Speaking about space, that's what matter takes up. If the sun rising in the morning, you better wake up, boy. It's time for chemistry. If you're hating on this weapon, you're my enemy. Solid gas, liquid like oil, sesame. Don't try to hang cause I be catching felony.
Space, it occupies. Liquid into ice, it solidifies. It changed from one state to another. This is called physical change, my brother. Burning wood into ashes, giving off CO2 gases. Chemical change when a substance reacts to form anew. You better be taking notes and getting this through. Physical change don't affect the identity. It only makes a substance look a little bit differently. 3 states of matter: solid, gas, liquid. Solid has a fixed shape, volume, and it's rigid. Liquid has volume, but it takes the shape of a container. Y'all know that it's a no-brainer. No shape or volume equal gas. Its particles move pretty fast. Liquids move in a sliding motion. No, they don't cause any commotion. Solids are locked into one place. They barely have any moving space. Chemical change equals a reaction. Compounds can be broken down, call it a fraction. A compound is an element combination, joining elements to form a new creation. Solution is a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means the same throughout, get the picture. Heterogeneous regions have different properties. For example, it's like a taco. You got different ingredients, the meat, cheese, and guaco. Homogeneous is like a coffee, water and coffee bean. Blue and yellow make green. Hope this rap give you inspiration. Hope this rap give you lots of information. Hope you guys enjoyed this preview. Hope you guys enjoyed the presentation.
Solid has a fixed shape and volume. Its particles take
That's your turn.
into the place they can barely move. Wait, what does that say?
I already messed up too.
Particles are packed into one place. They can barely move.
You said
That's still me.
Sir. Oh shit, I said that wrong. Everything we see is matter. Matter. With your host.
She wants to. Yeah. Let the dance.